ও সোমা সরকার, হ্যাঁ কোনো প্রশ্ন আছে?
একটা কোশ্চেন আছে।
হ্যাঁ বলুন।
সো আপনি বলছিলেন হট যোগা, আর আপনি আগে বলেছিলেন অষ্টাঙ্গ যোগা।
Now, Hatha Yoga is not part of Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga is predominantly found in Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. So, Ashtanga Yoga is called the Raj Yoga. That means the best of the yogas. Okay. So, in the Ashtanga Yoga, you will find my video is there in YouTube. So, Shekhane I have spoken in details about Raj Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga, that is Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. He gives a prescription how to progress in this path. So that is called Ashtanga Yoga. And Hatha Yoga is, some people say it is later in nature and some people say it is contemporary. Hatha Yoga is the approach by cleansing the physical body like the nadis and all these things. Gradually we can progress in the path of spirituality. And Hatha Yoga starts with the body and ends with the mind. Raj Yoga starts with the mind. So Raj Yoga is a higher level. Aim of Hatha Yoga is to reach Raj Yoga, and aim of Raj Yoga is to reach Samadhi. So Raj Yoga is of a higher level. Hatha Yoga's aim is to cleanse the body, align the chakras so that it becomes easy to meditate. Till the body is not clean, the chakras are not aligned, then we will not be able to meditate. Okay, so aim of Hatha Yoga is to reach Raj Yoga, and aim of Raj Yoga is Samadhi. বোঝা গেল? হ্যাঁ, ডিটেলসে এইগুলো নিয়ে বলো। রাজযোগা হচ্ছে পতঞ্জল যোগসূত্রকে বলা হয় রাজযোগা। পতঞ্জল মহর্ষির লেখা একটা বই, সেটার নাম হচ্ছে গিয়ে পতঞ্জল যোগসূত্র। তো পতঞ্জল মহর্ষি সেটায় বিভিন্ন রকম যোগের মানে কথা বলেছেন, এবং উনি শুরু করেছেন হচ্ছে যোগ চিত্তবৃত্তি নিরোধা বলে। মানে যোগ কি, যে চিত্তবৃত্তি, এই যে মনের ভেতরে যে আমাদের চাঞ্চল্য চলছে সারাক্ষণ, সেইগুলোকে সমাপ্ত করা, শান্ত করা হচ্ছে গিয়ে যোগ। So his approach, first chapter is the Samadhi Pada in Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. So his approach starts from a higher level. So Raj Yoga is for a sadhaka. That is why we have one Raj Yoga class in the studio on Saturday, and rest of the days you have Hatha Yoga classes, because Hatha Yoga is for the basic starting point of yoga, cleansing your body and mind, aligning the chakras, and establishing a parity between this gunatraya, the three gunas. So tomorrow you are coming to class, tomorrow special class. So after special class we have 1 hour, we will discuss about this in details. You can bring a paper and pen and write down. Okay, thank you.
One more question.
Yes.
With Ashtanga Yoga or Hatha Yoga, can we do Kriya Yoga?
Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga, so nowadays many things that goes on in the name of Kriya Yoga. Actual Kriya Yoga, if you find, it is found in Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. Okay, so I will mention about Kriya Yoga tomorrow also. Then Ashtanga Yoga, Age Kriya Yoga. See, Maharishi Patanjali says that he starts with Samadhi Pada. Samadhi is for Uttam Sadhaka. So there has to be some qualification for a person who is coming. Suppose you are doing a job, when you go for an interview, they will look for some qualifications, right? Whether you have these qualifications, then only you can go for the interview. Otherwise you cannot go. If you are going to some school, college, wherever we are going, some qualification is required. If you have passed your class 10, class 12, then only you can go to a college. Otherwise you cannot go to a college. So like this, yoga also needs some qualifications. So Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutra starts with Samadhi Pada. Samadhi is for the Uttam Adhikari, one who has done sadhana in his previous lifetimes will qualify for Samadhi at the beginning, will qualify for meditation at the beginning. So we cannot start with meditation, because what we see in general, in common parlance, is that our mind is very fluctuating, mind is very restless, so is the body. The energies within the body is very restless, and our mind is not one pointed. So we are not ready for meditation, that is Samadhi. So one who has done a lot of sadhana in previous lifetimes, he is ready for Samadhi. So he can start with that. So Samadhi Pada of Maharishi Patanjali, what he speaks in Samadhi Pada is for Uttam Adhikari, the best candidate. One who is very highly qualified for this path of yoga, who has done a lot of sadhana in his previous lifetimes, is now ready, and once he listens to the instructions as spoken by Maharishi Patanjali in the Samadhi path, so he will enter into meditation easily, he will not have problem. For the Madhyam Adhikaris, he has spoken of Kriya Yoga. For the Madhyam Adhikaris, like the okay, not very good, not very bad, they can do Kriya Yoga. And for the Manda Adhikaris, the prescription is Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga is for everyone. So that starts with Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. So Ashtanga Yoga, at the end there is Samadhi. So before Samadhi we have to go through all these things. Cleansing, these are also cleansing techniques, okay. Like Hatha Yoga focuses on the cleansing of the body, starts with the cleansing of the body. Raj Yoga speaks of cleansing of the mind, of your psyche. Then you can meditate, otherwise we cannot meditate. Then you can reach the final goal of Ashtanga Yoga, that is Samadhi. So this is Ashtanga Yoga and Patanjali Yoga Sutra's prescription. So Kriya Yoga, now many organizations have developed their own type of Kriya Yoga, but what Kriya Yoga as per the classical books, as per the Shastras, I will tell you tomorrow in class. So in part of Ashtanga Yoga only Kriya Yoga comes, but Kriya Yoga exclusively as a starting point. Everyone can do Kriya Yoga, but as a starting point is for the Madhyam Adhikari, and for the Manda Adhikari it is Ashtanga Yoga, starting with Ahimsa Satya Astya, is for everyone. And Uttam Adhikari, once they listen to the instruction, they will, their mind is already purified, they will go deep into meditation. And Hatha Yoga is for a mass scale practice, starting with the purification of the body, the Shatakarmas, like sessions we have, like the Jal Neti, Trataka, there are different other practices also. We do only which is possible in a studio environment. And then there are asanas, then there are pranayamas, and other techniques of Hatha Yoga are also there. So dharana is also there in Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga's aim is to reach to Raj Yoga. Hatha Yoga আমাদের রাজযোগের দিকে নিয়ে যায়। তো রাজযোগ হচ্ছে আরো হায়ার লেভেল, স্টার্টিং ফ্রম দ্য মাইন্ড। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।